Today we're going to be making bubble muffins for breakfast. Bubble bacon muffins for breakfast today. Right now I'm shredding some cheese. You need about 2 cups of cheese, but since we like cheese, we're going to do a little bit more. That last part's my snack. I preheated the oven to 350 degrees. Now let's make our mix. So we're gonna need 3 eggs. This egg is like extra large egg because like it's humongous. Oh, they have 2 yolks. Really good. I'm a professional chef for sure. So that's gonna go to the chickens, and now I just gotta wait for Mom, because she's teaching me. I'm gonna go wipe my hands. Now I'm gonna pour in my bag of bacon. And I'm gonna pour in half of my cheese. Sprinkle it in my bowl. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper, not too much. Today we're using garlic salt. So now I'm gonna mix it for all that flavor can get everywhere. This looks good, but the eggs are raw. Now since we're done mixing all the ingredients together, now we're gonna pop open our buttermilk biscuits, and we're gonna cut them into 4. Okay, that was fun. I'm cutting the second batch of biscuits, and I'm going to mix every 2 or 3 biscuits I cut. Now we're just gonna fill up our cup. My mom already sprayed the pan, and we're gonna be scooping this up, and we're gonna be filling it the jumbo muffin pan up halfway. Look at all that. It looks delicious. Okay, now since I have it all of it in, I'm gonna sprinkle it with some of the remaining cheese. More cheese is better. Always. Never will not be. Cheese is my life. Sometimes. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Okay, so I sprinkled a little bit more cheese into my mix. Now we're going to pop it into the oven for 20 or 25 minutes. So the muffins just came out of the oven, so of course they will be hot. It only took 23 minutes for us. I'm gonna get one out to show y'all, because I'm hungry, and yes, we're all hungry. I don't want to break them.
It's okay. Use the muffin thing to hold this out of the pan and scoop whichever one you wanted first.
I'll do this one. Oh, I'm scared I'm going to break it.
It's okay if you break it. We're going to pull them apart anyway.
Of course, I want to be careful for anything burnt. There's our first thing. This way. So we're going to add some more cheese because cheese is the best. A little bit more cheese. You don't have to add more cheese. We just love cheese. Cheese, 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 cheese. Taste test time. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's really good. Bubby loves his with salsa, so I'm gonna give him a little salsa. And you don't have to add salsa, but if you're a little weird like him, you can. You ready to eat? Yeah. You hungry? You want a strawberry? Sure. Strawberries. job.